content. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Kishore the Rider. So after my yesterday's status, many people have asked me what this helmet cooler is actually and what is the use of it, and where you will be getting all those details. So like many people have asked me, so that's the reason I'm making this video, so that it would be helpful if someone is actually looking for such kind of product. So this video will be having the details what is the product actually, and how it works, and I have bought it in the last year 2020, like in the month of June, and I haven't used it, as you know, we were in the lockdown, and we I really I didn't get a proper chance to use it full-fledged. And at the same time, in the last ride I have started using it. Yes, I can actually feel the difference in, when you're traveling in the traffic, or when there is outside the temperature is high. So it actually keeps some room temperature like 6 to 15 degrees. And whatever device I have, this is something, this is a basic one. So let's start with the video. So this is the product, and I have already started using it, so it's already unboxed. So we'll see what are the items we got from this. First we'll do some paperwork. Okay, we got a big map or something. Oh, okay, maybe you can use it as a poster, something. Few comics kind. Okay, keeping it aside, actually we got some couple of stickers to stick it on the helmet or to put it on the cooler. I have already used it for one of my helmet, adventure helmet, so that's why this is looking blank. And few more stickers, and this is the assembly manual. If you are totally confused, so you can just go back and refer to this user manual. Before trying it on your own, I suggest go and read the manual. It's not that big, lengthy and all. It's just one paper with few steps, and you will definitely won't get stuck anywhere in the middle. Okay, there are totally 4 points, so it's pretty easy, I can call. And also we have got the bill. It's totally folded, so yeah, this is for the blue snap 2. I've kept it due to the lockdown and all, I haven't used, so I have all the papers with me still. So a charger, and here comes our device. So this is how the device looks like, and you can see the blue part here. From the right side of it, you can just take it out like this. It is removable, and all you need to do is make sure you dip into the water till this level, till the point where you can see the blue part. Okay, and this is the point this is the place where you can see the leftover battery. And as this is rechargeable, you have a slot to recharge, and this is the place where you will be putting it on your helmet, the mount. And this is something an extender actually. Few helmets have the width part is a more, so during that cases you actually use it in this way, you can actually extend it a little bit more. So let me put it back. And this part, the blue part, you can actually take it out, and even you can install it this way. You're seeing it, right? Yeah. And if you want the air to be flown onto your face, you can put it this way. If you want the air should go towards the visor, you can put it in this way, so that even during the rains, this will help in defogging. Important point to add, like there is one more accessory without which, like you cannot use this mount. You can see it, right? Even though I wasn't expecting that like I can install this blue armor on this helmet for this adventure
helmet, and I didn't expect that this chin mount would be fitting on this helmet, but the way they have designed it is like pretty awesome, even though you can use it for your GoPro as well as the blue armor.
and the as most of you are actually waiting, like how you actually install. So if you see it clearly, you're seeing it, right? The part, it's the same way like how you actually install your GoPro. Yeah, that's all. It got installed. And here you are seeing the button, right? So once you switch on, like, are you able to hear the sound? It's running. There is a small fan running in the front, and if I open the helmet, this is how it looks. And almost you would be experiencing around 6 to 15 degrees of temperature inside the helmet, and like that's totally based on the temperature outside. So hello guys, so now I'm going to test it on the road, and now the time is like 1:45 p.m. and I'm starting to my office. So I'll try to see and experience, and I'll share you the details once I reach my office. So as you can see, it's already installed. You can see it, right? So here we go. So let me switch it on, and make sure you close your visor so that outside air doesn't come in. And a few things I just want to add, uh, when you're using this, make sure you have two side mirrors installed on your bike, because it would get difficult to see the who is coming from the back. And if you have the mirrors, yes, you can see in that, because when you are turning your head towards the left and right, you cannot rotate your head completely. One part got extended, so it gets a bit difficult to see completely down, and to if you want to move your head towards the right or left completely, you cannot move it, because your hand may come in as you will be holding the handle. As I was traveling with a speed of around 60 to 70 kilometers per hour, so I wasn't feeling like okay, there is a machine running in the front. But when I'm stopping in the traffic, so at that time, if you open your visor, definitely you are going to feel the change, because the hot air that comes through the vehicles, you can feel the difference. But if this is the Blue Snap 2, and this is a basic version from the Blue Armor, for having better coolness and all in the midsummer, also in the and in the midday, like around 2 p.m., at that point of time the temperature would be very high, and even in that times you will be experiencing a level of temperature down inside your helmet. We have two more variants. One is like A10 and another is E20. So that gives more coolness. Like it has like a three-level control, three-level of fan speed, I can call. Yeah. So even it gives you more coolness compared to the Blue Snap 2. So for more details, I have shared the details in the description, and even if you want any discount on that, you can use the code mentioned in the description. Another point, if you see this helmet, it was not that tough as it was on the adventure helmet. For this, like I'm able to rotate my head very easily, so it's again like based on the helmet style and all, you have to adjust accordingly when you are using this.